Hello, everyone. My name is Dominique O'Brien. I am currently working in social work and have been for the past 3 years, a little over 3 years. I've been working for an agency that is nationally recognized. It's called Big Brothers Big Sisters. So I really enjoy it, and it's been good for experience. As far as what I've enjoyed learning so far, I really enjoyed learning about personality development, child development, and how, their social surroundings and everything that goes along with it, parenting, schools, community, how that can all, play such a significant role in their development. As far as what I'm looking forward to learning about, I look forward to learning more about diversity and oppression and human rights. I know a decent amount, but I look forward to learning more and learning how to, ethically approach every topic in those areas. I feel like I have a pretty good grip on that already, but it doesn't hurt to learn more. So that's pretty much it. So good luck, everyone.